In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a hole in a part in Roblox Studio. This is useful for creating things like caves, tunnel, traps, or secret rooms. First, open Roblox Studio and load your project, or start with a new base plate. To create a hole, you will need two parts. One will be the main object and the other one will act as the cutter. Just go to the model tab and just click on the drop down for part and add the part to your liking. So let's say I want to make a hole in a block. So I'll just resize the block. And let's say I want to add a hole in this particular block. So I want to add a round hole. So I'll just go to the part once again and add a cylinder. And I'll just move the cylinder to my desired place. And after that, I'll just rotate it so the cylinder goes through the block. Make sure to place it exactly the way you want. So let's say I want my hole to be here. So I'll just resize it. And once that we have configured it to our liking, select the part that will cut the hole, which in my case, it's going to be this particular cylinder. So I'll just select it. And once that it is selected, just go to the model tab on the top and select negate. And once that you select negate, you will see it will be kind of brownish. And now select both of them by just selecting like so, or you can press shift and select both of them. And from now, just select union. And as you can see, we have successfully created a hole in the block. If the hole does not look right, just press Ctrl Z to undo, adjust the position or size of the negated part and try again. And that's it. That's how you make a hole in part in Roblox. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.